Hello, I'm Ashley from Kent District Library, and today I'd like to help you access the library resource CultureGrams. You start by going to kdl.org, our Kent District Library homepage. And if you access this tab called Learn and Research on the left, you'll see all of our databases and research tools. Let's go to the Student Resources page. On this page, our resources are organized by alphabetical order, and we've got CultureGrams. This is for school-aged children, but you could use it to teach younger children if you'd like. CultureGrams has lots of different videos and research information that they might use to learn about the world around them. You'll notice that our library card is required to access this database, and you can enter your KDL library card here in this space, and then click Login. Once you get to CultureGrams, you'll see this as your front page. You see photos, slideshows, videos, and even interviews are accessed in this database. I found this tab to be one of the most interesting because if you had a child who is age 7 or age 12, they could find other children their age and learn more about their country that way. I also want to point out that this Kids Edition is part of ProQuest CultureGrams and has a World Edition, Kids Edition, United States Edition, and Province Edition as well. If your child is interested in making food from some of these wonderful countries, you can go to any of these countries and look up a recipe. And then here you go, all sorts of things that you could make at your house. Additionally, there are flags and graphs that could be used for reports. Let's go back to the beginning page and see what one of these countries might look like. Since I've got a friend from the Philippines, I'm going to go ahead and click on that. This first part is a little bit like a Wikipedia article, but then there are extra pieces of the puzzle here that become really helpful. If your child's looking for very specific information, you might look on this left-hand side and help them find out exactly what they're looking for. We hope that you enjoy CultureGrams as part of our Kent District online resources and that you check out some of our other resources and databases as well.